Hello kings and queens, welcome back to BeebuWear. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of kids Ankara fashion. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a loyal subscriber, you're in for a treat as we explore the latest Ankara styles for kids, including trendy 2024 Ankara dresses, unique Ankara ball gowns, stylish rompers, and chic African print outfits that make a statement. In this video, we are showcasing a variety of elegant looks. If you're searching for classic kids Ankara fashion, look no further. We'll explore the most trending Ankara styles for kids in 2025. Whether it's for a formal event or a casual outing, these unique and stylish Ankara designs guarantee that your child will always stand out. If you love exploring these vibrant trends, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a style update from BeebuWear. Leave a comment below and tell us which look is your favorite, whether you're into cute Ankara ball gowns, chic rompers, or elegant designer outfits. Your support means the world. Thank you for watching and joining me on this colorful journey through kids Ankara fashion. Remember, at BeebuWear we celebrate creativity, comfort, and cultural heritage in every design. Until next time, keep slaying with style. Bye.